Hi there, here is TTEngineering. Our company has been operating in the area north of Milan since 1990 and is today recognized among the European leaders in automation systems, especially for thin sheet metal processing, with a clear focus on duct production for ventilation, chimney and similar applications. It's with great pride that we announce the launch of our US subsidiary, TTA USA Corporation. Based in New York, a strategic step that we've decided to take to effectively boost our growth and presence on the US market. And now let's introduce the latest advancements of our CSU, our automatic bending and welding system, designed for the semiconductor manufacturing and corrosive exhaust ducting industries. Our machine enables fully automatic production of both cylindrical and non-cylindrical steel pipes without requiring any tool change. It covers a diameter range from 3 to 30 inches and a thickness range from 28 to 12 gauges. At the core of the machine is the flex former, our patented roll forming unit. It is paired with a multi-beam laser welding head, allowing multi-pass weldings and post-weld heat treatment, and it is integrated into a dynamic 13-axis clamping system. The manufacturing process begins with steel sheets loading, either directly from the cutting line or from pre-cut blanks. Bending and welding are carried out automatically in sequence, and once the process is completed, the sheet is conveyed to one of the 3 available discharge stations: frontal, rear or inline. This machine is also equipped with a proprietary wire feeder system, which could be made available upon demand. Our constant commitment in research and innovation has made it possible to integrate numerous enhancements into this machine. For example, it is now possible to store production data in real time and monitor energy consumption, both electrical and gas-based. This ultimate version is also fully compliant with the Industry 5.0 requirements in terms of energy consumption monitoring and reduction. At TTEngineering, we've always believed in going beyond boundaries, and the opening of our US branch is clear evidence. This is definitely a big step forward in bringing our HVAC expertise closer to our American partners, and we can't wait to continue this journey together.